Hello, how you guys doing? Today, I got in a t-shirt order, and I just really basically want to show you how I ship. I use Pirate Ship to do all my shipping through my website. This order came in, just one t-shirt, no big deal. This is my handy dandy scale. Without this, I wouldn't be in business. And no, my scale does not hook up to the computer. It's not really necessary. It does the basic pounds and kilograms. I'm going to reset it. This is what my item weighs. I already know it weighs 9.6 ounces. I'll put the paper in it. Let's say 10 ounces. So I drop it on the scale. It's 9.5. I mean, I ship the same thing all the time. Okay. I printed a label. This is what my label looks like. Can you see it? Okay. I just take it and I fix it to this part of the bag, like so. And I'm done. I'm ready to go. That simple. I'm going to see you in the inside. I'm going to show you the program that I use to do what I just showed you. So, today, I want to talk about this company, pirateship.com. And I want to take the headache that a lot of people, especially the new jacks, go through, the newbies, the beginners, in their business endeavor with shipping and receiving. Let's talk about shipping. It is one of the hardest things to do when you're not organized. I am basically going to talk about the program part. I'm not talking about the scale and all that other stuff. I just want to deal with the program at hand and tell you the features, what you get. Pirate Ship is one of the cheapest shipping apps around. They work along with Post Office. They work along with UPS. And let me tell you, this is a game changer for the small guys, for the small companies. You can set it up and they will come to your house or your office. Going to the post office sucks, because even if you have your packages all set up, a lot of times you do gotta wait in line to get to the counter. So it's a lot easier if you have everything prepped at your house. When your mail carrier comes, they pick them up and they're on their go. They're done. You already paid for them. That's it. This takes the headache, the guesswork, everything out. Okay, I have an account, so I can go ahead and log in. But if you'd like to, this is where you would create your account. So I'm bringing you in to an awesome world. Okay. What is cool, you can get a quick rate quote. There is always every October 3rd to the 26th, because of the Christmas holidays, the workload increases, so they always raise the shipping prices temporarily, the domestic shipping prices, to recoup for the extra work and the expedient orders. Okay? Pretty much, I set all my information in. You can do the same in the, this is the settings part. If you want to integrate it with your website, which I do, I have WooCommerce. You just select who you want to integrate with. This is what I want to show you before I got into the other. I went on a rabbit trail. Now I need to just show you what I meant to talk about. If you have Big Cartel, Big Commerce, Chargeify, Cratejoy, Discogs, eBay, EasyWid, Etsy. I know there's a lot of Etsy people out there, and some stuff you have to ship. Not everybody's selling digital files. Moonclerk, Shopify, and for your Squarespace users that have the card and have nobody to help you with shipping, that's great. And this is me. But I can use it in, I got an Etsy and I have a Squarespace, but I pretty much run everything through my website, except if I'm doing eBay and Etsy, which I do from time to time. Excuse me. Now I want to show you this is what you do. Your general settings, you put your credit card in here that you want to pay for postage. It only charges what you need to pay for, so always keep it preloaded. And this is your address, and it tracks the mail. As soon as you put your customer's email, you pay for it, it lets the customer know immediately. When you put their email in, it lets them know you created a label. They know that it's still with you. It hasn't left. Until it gets to the post office, then their system starts updating them all the way till they receive it. So that takes the guessing and the headache off of you. Now, getting back to the rates, this is how we figure out what we need to do. If you're going to put a box, you have to measure this way, and this way. This would be your length going here, your width going there, and your height going there. Let's just say, for instance, this is what I mail most of the time, one t-shirt. So I know I already have it saved, but I'll do it one on the fly. With all my stuff in there, it comes to 9.9 ounces. Let's go 10 ounces. 10 whole ounces. Okay, I'm going to ship this to New York. I just put the zip code in. Look at that. You know, I was doing priority mail. Still gets there within 1 to 4 days. Look at the savings. I was shipping this. I was blown away. I was shipping everything at this $9.25 because I was going into the post office. The same package, I was putting it in the priority mail. I didn't know any better. I didn't. That's what I was doing for over a year. I'm going to be truthful. When I learned about this, I wanted to kick myself. Sometimes it's a little classier sending stuff UPS. Sometimes I can't trust the post office, and I'm not saying they don't get the stuff there, but I got a higher value. I need more insurance, and I don't want to spend more money to get what I need. So I could send it at this price. Now, I charge a minimum with my shipping and handling like $15 because I have to look at it this way. I'm not the only one that always ships. I might have to pay someone. So the money has to be there to pay them. And I like to collect it from my customer to pay it. So I put shipping and handling. It's all in there. Simple. It's all about convenience. Okay, so we got that, and that's what we would do. Now, what's cool about this, if I need to put a simple, I'll just use me. Just show you how easy this is. Oh, I left a space. That's why it knows it's not the right. And I just go like this. Go here. 1, 2, 3. Any street. And that's it. Now, this is really what my weight weighs. My t-shirt pack 1. So that's what I need to do. You can set up all the different types of packages that you ship. You know, some of us do lipstick, so they're small packages. Some of us do t-shirts. Some of us do coffee mugs. Some of us do hats. Whatever you do, get your box, weigh it, all of that. But I'm not getting into that part. I will do a video to show you the scale part separately. And so you just name. That's very, very simple. Then we come here. The rate should be a little bit cheaper because the weight is a little bit less than what I put in before. Now, see, that went down to 4. And that's the button you click to buy a label. But we're not going to buy a label because that's live. But I just wanted to show you. It will come up. That will be the address. And it has my details. And it's one label. The labels can be 4x6 seems to be the best. Now, what I do want to say, for us just starting out, our new jacks, don't buy a label maker. It's not necessary. You can go to Walmart and buy packs of labels. They're like $6, Avery labels. You get 2 a sheet. Maybe it's like 30 labels or something like that. Or you can go on Amazon and eBay and buy a 200 pack. You print on one side and you turn it over and you print on another. You don't waste a sheet. You print on one side, you rip it off, and then you wait till you have another order. Or if you got 10, you run it through. Now, if you got 20 orders and you want to import it through your website, it's fine. Or if you need to put the addresses in Google Sheets to manually type them in a spreadsheet, it will take them in, import them as right here. When we go in the ship, up at the top, this is a spreadsheet, so you can load it in as a CVS right there. Whatever website you choose, that's how that would do it. And boop, and then it updates. You get your updates. It will connect back to your website to click processed. So you know it's a done deal. And this is where you put your credit card in. And they'll tell you the compatible scales. Any scale is compatible as long as you can measure. You want one that measures in kilograms and pounds. Depending if you're going to ship worldwide, they don't cost any more to have that feature on there. And you want a scale that can go up between 50 to 70 pounds. And that's accurate with ounces. That's what you really want. And you can use a desktop printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Right about now, Black Friday season, you can catch an inkjet for $30, $40. I just bought one the other day for $29.99. Didn't even need it. I just bought it to buy it because it was $29. I'll just have it as a backup. It's always good in case something breaks. When you're shipping, you never know what's going to happen. You know, eventually when you're doing real good, then you can buy a label printer. But it tells you the 2.2x7 or 4x6. I prefer the 4x6. They're the easiest labels to find and they're a lot cheaper. And that is the end of this tutorial. I just wanted to show you Pirate Ship. It's an awesome software. You are welcome to join our Facebook group, the T-Shirt Game University. This is a group where we give a lot of information. We're not taking from you. We're giving to help you grow.